Hello, in this video I will show you how to create new partition in Windows 11. So you have to start with opening your File Explorer, and now click with your right mouse button on this PC, and now click on Show More Options and click on Manage. Now you have to go to Disk Management. In Disk Management you have to find your partition. Well, if you don't have any partitions and all of your disk space is allocated to some partition, you will have to take some of your existing partition and shrink it. So click on your existing partition and shrink volume. And now here is your space that you will shrink your partition, existing partition, and I will choose to shrink it by 10 gigabytes. And now click the shrink button. And here is your free space. And now you have to create a new simple volume from this space. So click with your right mouse button on that and select new simple volume. Here click on next, and here you are choosing how big will be your new partition, so just choose the max and click next. Here you can choose the letter of your new partition and click next. And here you can choose some settings like file system, but you can just leave it with the default settings and click next, and now click finish. And as you can see, here is your new partition, and this automatically opens your new partition. And if you go to this PC now, you can see that I have now two partitions. One is 100 gigabytes and one is 10 gigabytes. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.